Hey there, gentlemen! Are you ready to tap into your inner strength and become the best version of yourself? Today, I've got something special for you, a comprehensive guide on how to become a strong man. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, define your values. This is the foundation of your strength. Knowing what you stand for gives you clarity and purpose in life. Whether it's integrity, honesty, or perseverance, your values guide your decisions and actions. Your values define who you are and what you stand for. They serve as your compass, guiding you through life's challenges and uncertainties. Take the time to reflect on what matters most to you and commit to living in alignment with your values. Tip number 2, take care of your body. Your physical health is crucial for your overall well-being and strength. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and prioritize rest and recovery. Your body is your temple, and it's essential to treat it with the respect and care it deserves. Regular exercise not only strengthens your muscles and improves your physical fitness, but also boosts your mood and enhances your mental clarity. Remember, a healthy body is the foundation of a strong man. Tip number 3, cultivate mental resilience. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but it's how you respond to them that defines your strength. Develop a resilient mindset by embracing adversity as an opportunity for growth. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to adapt to change, and to persevere in the face of adversity. Cultivate a growth mindset that sees challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember, it's not about avoiding failure, but rather about how you respond to it that matters. Tip number 4, seek knowledge. The pursuit of knowledge is essential for personal growth and development. Read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors who can inspire and educate you. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate life's challenges and pursue your goals. Never stop learning and expanding your horizons. Seek out opportunities to broaden your knowledge and deepen your understanding of the world around you.
Tip number 5, set goals and take action. Setting clear, actionable goals gives you direction and purpose in life. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and take consistent action towards achieving them. Goals provide you with a roadmap for success, giving you something to strive for and a sense of accomplishment when you achieve them. Take the time to define your goals and create a plan of action to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, action is the key to success. Tip number 6, communicate effectively. Strong communication skills are essential for building meaningful relationships and succeeding in both your personal and professional life. Practice active listening, express yourself clearly, and be assertive in your interactions. Communication is the cornerstone of all human relationships, and mastering this skill will serve you well in all areas of your life. Learn to listen attentively to others, express your thoughts and feelings clearly and confidently, and assert yourself respectfully in your interactions. Effective communication is the key to building strong, lasting connections with others. Tip number 7, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset, attitude, and behavior. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and uplift you, and distance yourself from negativity and toxicity. The company you keep shapes your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who share your values and aspirations and who support you in your journey towards becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your inner circle wisely. Tip number 8, take responsibility for your actions. Accountability is a hallmark of maturity and strength. Acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, and take proactive steps to make amends and do better in the future. Taking responsibility for your actions is a sign of strength and integrity. It shows that you're willing to own up to your mistakes and learn from them rather than making excuses or blaming others. Embrace accountability as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement, and strive to do better each day.
Tip number 9, practice empathy and compassion. Strong men are not afraid to show vulnerability or express empathy towards others. Treat others with kindness, respect, and understanding, and strive to make a positive difference in the lives of those around you. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, and compassion is the desire to alleviate their suffering. Cultivate these qualities in yourself by actively listening to others, putting yourself in their shoes and offering support and encouragement when needed. Remember, true strength lies in kindness and compassion. Tip number 10, stay true to yourself. Authenticity is the ultimate expression of strength. Embrace who you are, stand up for what you believe in, and live your life with purpose, passion, and integrity. Being true to yourself means honoring your values, following your passions, and staying true to your beliefs, even when it's not easy. Don't be afraid to march to the beat of your own drum and chart your own course in life. Remember, the strongest men are those who have the courage to be themselves unapologetically. Remember, strength isn't just about physical power. It's about character, resilience, and the willingness to grow. Keep striving, keep pushing, and you'll become the strongest version of yourself. Until next time, stay strong. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together we can spread positivity and empowerment to help everyone thrive. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep thriving.